Hi everyone, this is Ismail from CompuTec. In this video, we will make first configurations of CompuTec AppEngine. As we have already installed the AppEngine, we are able to launch this screen through localhost 54001 port, and we will go to Administration, Workspace, and here we will enter the username and password. So username is city site user and the default password can be found here in the documentation page. But later you can change this password in the configuration. Alright, after you successfully log in system will request from you to enter the SLD server address and CompuTec license server. So let's start with SLD server address. SLD server address can be obtained from B1, administration license and license administration. So we can take it from here, or you can just go to add-on administration, use this hyperlink to launch the SLD address, and you can use this address here, and after you enter it's gonna be set to online if you fill this correctly. And CompuTec license server, it's required to be able to use the AppEngine, and for the guidance you can go to process force, download, and here you can find the CompuTec license server. And for the installation guide you can go to here, and after that you will have CompuTec Service Manager, and in the settings you can see the port number and the server address. So instead of localhost, you can type the machine name by using this host name through command prompt and CTL052 for me. And let's go back to admin panel again, CTL052, and port is 30,002. Okay. And after that you will save and discover. System will ask you to enter SLD password. User is already B1 site user and the password should be filled. And after that system will request a restart. So let's restart. Alright, after restart is completed, you will be able to see the configurations and the companies in the administration panel. AppEngine has discovered these companies already from system landscape directory, and you can start configuring the company that you need to activate. The first thing that you should do here, you should enter the database user. Okay, in this case, this is gonna be system. We set the database user, and I am gonna activate this company here, but before that I will set database user and SAP user. So the same database user I will use for this company. And SAP user, I will create a new user binding. So this is not creating a new user in SAP Business One, but I'm gonna use the user manager for the connections and add it. Now I can activate, and when I activate, and complete the process, I will see that this company will be activated and update will not be required. So anytime you see update required, you must just click on this button and make the update in the system. And if we go to extension manager, you see there is no any add-on here. So I'm gonna activate this and enter B1 site user. And now system started installing all the objects, and also will install and import the core add-on, which I will show you. Okay, completed. And I will close this. And it's very important that we need to add this script into SAP post-transaction notification. So I will show you how to do it in my current environment. So I will go to HANA Studio and PF Demo procedures. I will find post-transaction notification, which is here. And I have already added this script, but you have to make sure that let's create a new. And initially, so let's remove this as old one. So initially you will not see this here, and you will paste it here, and you can take it from here by this button. And after that, we have AppEngine instances in the system. This is like a definition where you can later scale your workloads on different instances. Currently, we create a default one. So you can select it, accept, and one more time enter B1 site user. And here you can add this HANA Dev into the configurations, and it's gonna be used by some plugins. And update. So here you have the company enabled. Alright, in this video we have seen how we can make the first configurations with AppEngine and activate the company. Thank you for listening.